9 things I wish I knew about money in my 20s, and how I learned them the hard way. Welcome, financial superheroes. Today, at Finance Supergirl, we're diving into the wisdom of personal finance and the lessons we wish we knew in our 20s. The carefree days of youth and the lack of financial responsibility. But fear not, for we've gathered 9 valuable insights about money that will guide you toward financial success. Get ready for some eye-rolling sarcasm and valuable lessons. Section 1. Creating a budget is necessary. Picture this: a budget, the thrilling pinnacle of financial planning. Trust me, creating a budget is necessary if you want to avoid a lifetime of eating ramen noodles. It's a simple plan for your money that allows you to track expenses and make better spending decisions. Explore free budgeting apps and tools online to become a budgeting boss. Section 2. Saving for emergencies is crucial. Life is full of surprises, like car breakdowns, unexpected medical bills, or even job loss. That's when you'll appreciate having an emergency fund. I wish I knew this before resorting to begging my parents for money. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for those unexpected curveballs. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Life happens, and you'll be glad you're prepared. Section 3. Investing early is beneficial. Investing, the pursuit of the wealthy, or so I thought. The truth is, even if you're broke, you can start investing and benefit from compound interest. Learn about different investment options that suit your budget and financial goals. Remember, even a few dollars invested monthly can grow into something significant over time. Start early, even if it's small. Section 4. Paying off debt should be a priority. Debt is like a heavy ball and chain holding you back. Make paying off high-interest debt a top priority, even if it means skipping that weekend trip to Vegas. List your debts and their interest rates, then focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. Progress to the next one once you've cleared the previous one. It may take time, but the feeling of being debt-free is worth it. Section 5. Credit scores matter. Did you know your credit score affects more than just buying a house? It can impact your ability to get a loan, rent an apartment, or even land a job. So, pay your bills on time, maintain low credit utilization, and monitor your credit report regularly. Utilize free credit monitoring apps and tools to keep an eye on your credit score. Your future self will thank you. Section 6. Negotiating can save you money. Imagine having the power to save money and feel like a boss. Well, negotiating is like a superpower in the financial world. Don't be afraid to haggle with service providers or ask for a raise at work. Do your research, be firm but polite, and be ready to walk away if needed. You'll be amazed at how much you can save simply by asking. Section 7. Automating savings can make it easier. Saving money can be tough, but fear not, for automation is here to save the day. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each month. It's like setting it and forgetting it, just like that Ronco rotisserie oven. You'll watch your savings grow effortlessly without even thinking about it. It may not be thrilling, but it's effective. Section 8. Learning about taxes can save you money. Taxes, a foreign language that can cost you money. However, learning about tax deductions, credits, and strategies can save you a pretty penny. Start by researching online or consult with a tax professional to uncover deductions and credits you're eligible for. Who doesn't want to save money and feel smart at the same time? Section 9. Financial literacy is essential. Financial literacy is your secret weapon in the battle for financial success. It's the knowledge and skills needed to manage your money effectively. Dive into books, blogs, and articles about personal finance. Attend financial workshops or seminars. Seek guidance from knowledgeable individuals. The more you know, the better off you'll be. Conclusion. And there you have it, 9 valuable lessons about money in your 20s. By following these tips, you can avoid the mistakes many of us made and start building a financially secure future. So, will you take charge of your finances or continue living paycheck to paycheck? The choice is yours. Thank you for joining us today on Finance Supergirl. Remember, financial success is within your grasp, and you can achieve it with the right knowledge and determination. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on managing your finances and taking control of your financial future. Disclaimer: the content provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. It's always recommended to consult with a qualified financial advisor for personalized guidance.